This man, too lazy.
Sit and watch, Nate.
Too lazy to go drive and get a chainsaw. He's gonna axe his way through the stump. You know? This is YouTube material. This is going on YouTube. What a schmuck. Class A. This is what you call a Class A schmuck. Alright. This is gonna be my first video. This is gonna be my first video documentary. I'm mostly doing it for myself to see where I'm at, document my life. My life is always different. Every day I'm doing something new. Currently have a stuffy nose. Woke up this morning. I don't know if it's allergies. Today I'm gonna run. I don't normally run in the mornings, but it's Friday. Figured, you know, I'd get a run in the morning. It's a nice Friday. It's currently 75, 8:30 in the morning. It's not that early anymore. I'm gonna go run with my girlfriend. We're supposed to meet up somewhere, and yeah, that's basically how the morning's gonna start. After that, we're gonna go do some work. I got a few things I gotta do at a couple houses. Figured I'd document that because that's kind of the point of this vlog or documentary, whatever you want to call it, just to see how my life goes. Okay, so I finished the run. I'm gonna go get some food now, maybe get some coffee. Not a big coffee person, but I'm gonna go to Panera and get myself egg, ham, and cheese on some bagel maybe. Then maybe I'll go to Starbucks and try some coffee, I don't know. Later today, after that, we're gonna go get the skid steer. Got some stuff I gotta do at one of my job sites, clean it up a little bit with the skid steer. And then after that, I gotta go to where I live and clean it up a little bit over there. Use the skid steer, move around some dirt, get rid of some stuff. Building a pool over there, so I gotta move some stuff around. Okay, I got my egg, ham, and cheese on a bagel. And then I got my hot chocolate because I like hot chocolate more than coffee. And decided not to go with coffee. We're gonna go, I'll show you when we get the skid steer and we'll go from there. We made it. Time to load the skid steer, backing up, getting the trailer. I gotta load that baby up right there. Always put e-brake on, especially when loading this big bad boy. Next we just drop the gates. Now she's ready to be loaded. In the deer, it's got white sand everywhere because we are currently building a volleyball court for our church. Parking brake on. Get some gas. And there she goes. She's running. We're gonna go ahead and take the forks with us because I'm gonna need them at another job. We'll get it loaded. The rig fully loaded. That's the whole rig, truck and all. You know, gotta have safety first. Strapped down tight. Ain't going nowhere. Got the drone charging in the truck. I usually use it for house pictures, but you know, I figured I'll throw some drone shots in the vlog maybe if it's not too hard. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, it's a nice rig and all. Looks nice, but that's the kind of gas mileage you get towing. So it's great. It's really great. Gotta load all of this garbage and all of this garbage into a dump truck or trailer, get rid of it. Then we're gonna go level out all of these sides. And same thing in the back. I'll try to get some drone footage of it. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So this is the aftermath. A lot more clean now. Not perfect, but you know, we gotta still dig septic and all that, so there's no reason to do it perfect. Just a little cleanup of the cinder blocks, got rid of those. Cleaned out the sides a little bit, the back a little bit. I have a drone footage of it before, but my batteries are dead on the drone, so I couldn't fly it for an after. Maybe I'll come back another day, but this is basically it for the day. I'm gonna go to the other lot of my house over there and move around some stuff. So I'll check in when I get there. Basically, gonna unload it. I gotta move around all this dirt. They brought this all here from we bought this property. And when they dug the pool, they brought all their dirt over here. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Then we're gonna put the forks on. And we'll go ahead and move all these tiles right here. All these tiles for our pool. It's gonna be the floor or whatever you want to call it. All these got to go to the backyard over there. Yep, that's basically what we're gonna do today. I don't know how much of it I'm gonna record. I'm gonna go get some lunch or figure out some lunch. I think my brother got me some Chick-fil-A, and he's probably honestly gonna move that dirt around, and I'll help him put on the forks, and we'll move these pallets around. So I don't know how much is gonna get on camera, but I'll figure it out. So my brother's in the dirt, and we're trying to get rid of this tree because it was just a random mountain. So we can get rid of that shed and get a bigger shed up in here. Also make it easier for the trucks to drive by for the pool. But honestly, this tree's harder to move than I thought it would be. Those roots spread out throughout the whole hill. The thing does not want to move, so we'll get it out. Does not know what he's doing. There he goes. Now he's getting somewhere. Well, there goes the mess. This man, too lazy.
Sit and watch, Nate.
Too lazy to go drive and get a chainsaw. He's gonna axe his way through the stump. You know, this is YouTube material. This is going on YouTube. What a schmuck. Class A. This is what you call a Class A schmuck.
Class A Shmucks, the dude recording it.
No, Class A schmucks, the dude that's too lazy to go get a chainsaw. Let's come to. He's gonna drop it right now, just like that. I don't even care anymore. It's like I said, Shmucks Central, this is what happens. Every day, something new. New plan, new brilliant idea after work to kill some time. You know, wouldn't have it any other way. Finished up for the day. Almost 5 o'clock. Raining now. We're going to drop off the John Deere. Don't got much else planned for today. Just gonna relax. I do have the drone charging, just in case I decide to go get a shot of that house I did. But it is raining. After I drop off the John Deere, if the rain stops, then maybe I'll stop by. But it's almost gonna be dark in like 2 hours, so there's not much sun right now with all the rain. So who knows if I'll get a drone shot. If not, maybe I'll go tomorrow. If not, I'm not too worried about it. Don't really need to put in the vlog. I'm not trying to have them be too long. So yep, we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Don't really have an outro, so